Salut les amis, ici c'est Germaine. On va attaquer la quatrième partie et sûrement la fin du premier chapitre de The Wolf Among Us. Et la dernière fois qu'on s'était arrêté, on allait rentrer dans le bar où Bigby nous avait dit que le bûcheron se tairait. De votre côté, n'hésitez pas à me dire ce qui vous plaît, ce qui vous plaît pas, si vous pensez qu'il y a des choses qu'on pourrait améliorer tout simplement. Là-dessus, je suis assez ouvert aux critiques, tant que c'est des critiques constructives. Ne sortez pas des bah t'es nul, bouh, tu vises pas bien, ah tu t'es pris la chaise. Ça je m'en tamponne. Donc voilà, enfin, critique constructive, je suis mais carrément open. En même temps, je suis là pour m'améliorer, je suis un petit newbie du net, donc voilà, voilà. Et nous voilà au Trip Trap Bar dans le Bronx. Avec une petite ambiance de saloon stylé.
What do you want, Sheriff?
Oh bah c'était le mec de la salle d'attente lui.
Official Fabletown business.
Oh, well, if it's official Fabletown business.
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice, so try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks. No, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
Tu veux un prompteur, madame?
Does he tell you when to close, too?
Nope. And he doesn't tell me when to tell you to fuck off.
T'as pas mis tes gencives, bigby? Ah non, il est jamais venu, non, ça fait plaisir.
He a regular?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The one with the bald head and the beard.
Never seen him.
Whose is that?
Someone who left.
Why didn't you dump it? If you want a cleaner place, feel free to get the fuck out of here. I'm sensing a very hostile tone from you. Don't deny it. I'm good at picking up on this stuff. A lot of these walk out the door?
Yeah, it's called advertising.
You get a refund?
Fuck you. The word's getting out.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Couille en boco.
Let me solve the mystery for you. They're pickled eggs.
Oh, I know what they are. I'm just trying to figure out why anyone would eat this.
Ça donne vraiment pas envie. Oh, des clopes! C'est parti!
Damn.
Si j'avais gardé mes 58 dollars, on n'en serait pas là.
A lot of stools in this place. If I sit over there, I'm gonna have to yell to talk to you. And I don't like raising my voice. Unless I really have to.
You gonna order something? Or you just here to bother my customers? You know what I mean.
Oh, fuck!
Give me a Midas Gold.
You want a lime?
No.
Well, I don't got any anyway.
that's funny.
Yep. Think it's fucking hilarious.
It was alright.
Clairement une tête de con. Mais... Je vais tellement me le faire.
Come on, guys. I don't want to be here. You don't want me here. The sooner you answer my questions, the sooner I'll be out of here.
Je me lave la main.
Holly, you're out of paper towels and,
Oh, fuck. Coucou.
Saved your beer for you. Holly wanted to clear it, but I said no. He'll be back. Now, here you are.
you and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
Well, Woody, that makes two of us. You're in luck. I decided to switch seats.
Si tu me froisses la chemise, j'étais démente.
Look, it's been a long fucking day, and I'm starting to get a little cranky. I've got questions, and I'm not leaving without answers.
Maybe he don't want to talk to you.
Why don't we let him tell me that?
It's okay, Gren.
Clairement, Gren, je fais de son meilleur ami, je le sens. Hein? Des choses comme ça que tu captes vite.
It's funny. Just a minute ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. Big bad wolf. Now I'm the bad guy and you're sheriff. Kind of fucking world is that, huh?
Not exactly comfortable with it either, but... Hey, you play the hand you're dealt.
Well, some folks are forced to play with shit.
That's a lovely image.
Guess you want to know about the girl.
Amongst other things, sure.
I'd walk past her place for weeks. She didn't look like it. She had money. I was sure of it. And she wouldn't put up any kind of fight. I was gonna rob her. And the night I finally get up the nerve to do it, there you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Je crois que c'était une pute.
So, you were planning on robbing her?
Yeah, her and her grandma.
Grandma? Wait, what are you talking about?
Red Riding Hood, her grandmother. I was there to rob him. But when I showed up, you were already there, lying in the bed. I only saved her because I thought she might give me a reward. But she didn't give me shit. Except a bunch of people thinking I'm something I ain't. I played along as I could. Only thing I managed to get from it was a free drink every now and again. Not a good that did.
Did you kill Faith?
What? Faith? Who's
The
that?
girl you were beaten on this morning.
No. I was here. I swear.
Doesn't look good when a girl you were just smacking around shows up dead hours later.
She's dead? Bigby, listen, I'm a piece of shit, okay? I know that. I hit that girl, I did. I shouldn't have, but I didn't kill her. You believe me, right? They're gonna string me up, Bigby. Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
He was here. That's the fucking truth, Sheriff.
You see? Bigby, please. You can't. They'll throw me down the witching well. That's what they'll do. And I didn't do it. You know that. Stop! This isn't what I want!
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. Only comes sniffing around this part of town when the rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
You're backing the wrong guy. If you saw what I saw last night, you'd know that.
What I see is someone who wouldn't be here if I was the one needing the law for some help. Holly's sister goes missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White looking right past me, then ushering me out the fucking door.
Anyone tell you you've got a big fucking mouth?
Oh, it gets bigger.
Oh, good.
Putain qu'il est beau. Il vient d'où celui-là de fond?
Should have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Come on, you're scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
T'es qui le patron, grosse merde?
He's had enough.
Carrément. On est gentil, on est gentil.
Whiskey. Double.
Parce que j'ai trop les boules. Oh putain, elle est bonne.
Shit.
It's not like you were gonna pay for it anyway.
Don't even think about it.
Is this the type of treatment I can expect if I let you take me in?
No. If you come quietly, you'll be treated with respect. But if it turns out that you killed that girl, well, you know what that means.
All right. I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named... Fuck.
Ah, le gros, le bûcheron, le gros, le bûcheron, le gros, le bûcheron. Ah, moi je crois le bûcheron, mine de rien. Enfin, il avait l'air sincère et tout, et puis le gros, il m'a tapé dans les côtes.
Fuck, man. That's not necessary.
Shit.
He's the one you want, not me.
Your brother won't be saving you this time. Come on. You're under
comme il est
arrest.
là.
Told you I didn't do it.
And you got nothing to worry about. Do anything stupid, and I'll throw you down the witching well myself.
Où ça pue, ça?
We had something very special.
Where's your brother?
Fuck you! Give me one good reason I should tell you anything.
Serial killer.
Oh, oh my.
A serial killer? Oh God, and it's one of us?
Wait, the woodsman still walking the streets?
We've got to put a lid on this. If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
I found out where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks for not saying anything.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you just want to punish someone. We can arrange that.
What did you do?
Friend on friend. At the end of the end.
Jesus Christ, bigby. Is that you?
Ah, c'est cool, il y a les stats des joueurs. Alors, vous et 84,5% des joueurs ont donné à Face l'argent. Ok. Alors, vous et 59% des joueurs avaient menti à la bête en disant ne pas avoir vu Beauté. À la belle. Vous et 69,2% des joueurs sont allés aider Todd avant d'aller aider le prince Lawrence. Ah merde, on pouvait empêcher le prince Lawrence de mourir. Bah, prochaine game, on ira le voir d'abord. En espérant que Crapaud ne meure pas, quoi. Qui est votre suspect principal? Vous et 22,6% des joueurs. Vous pointez du doigt le Mac. Vous êtes descendu au bar. Vous et 68,7% des joueurs ont fait que Tweedledee soit arrêté. On a arrêté Tweedledee. Ah ouais. Comme quoi j'avais dit que je la jouerais en mode classique gentil, bah... Faut croire que je suis pas le seul, hein. Non mais c'est cool, j'aime beaucoup ce... J'aime beaucoup les petits menus comme ça, qui te stipulent bien que t'es quelqu'un ultra classique, quoi, tu vois. Bon bah c'est la fin du premier chapitre, hein, et ça fout un peu les boules, j'avoue. Putain, c'est nul, Blanche elle était sympa et tout, il y avait moyen de... Non, non, non. Dès que le loup va pour pécho, tous ces plans tombent à l'eau. Proverbe japonais. Voilà. Bon bah les amis, du coup c'est la fin du premier chapitre de The Wolf Among Us, hein. Je vais par la suite, bah, très bientôt, continuer tout simplement, attaquer le chapitre 2, quoi. Mais j'avoue, ça commence plutôt très fort. Je suis vraiment blasé pour Blanche, mais on va voir la suite, hein, dans tous les cas. On va essayer quand même de rester gentil, même si j'ai envie de faire du coup, bah, le bigby qu'il est triste que sa main amoureuse elle est morte et qu'il a envie de tocasser la tête des gens. On va quand même s'en tenir à ce qu'on avait dit. Allez les copains, je vous fais les bisous, je vous dis à plus. Tchou tchou.